Welcome. Allow yourself to settle comfortably. Find a position where you feel supported and at ease. You can close your eyes, or if you prefer, simply soften your gaze. Let's begin by taking a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling your lungs expand. Hold for a moment and then exhale gently through your mouth. Release any tension you may be holding. Now bring your attention to your body. Notice the point of contact between your body and the surface beneath you. Feel the support, the gentle pressure. Allow yourself to sink deeper into that feeling of relaxation. Now slowly begin to bring your awareness